Alright guys, here we are in Great Falls, Virginia with a well leak at the wellhead. So what we're going to do is get this dug up and see what's leaking and get it fixed up. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're wrapping up this job here with the leak at the pitless adapter. What it was a brass nipple coming out of the pitless. You can see that right there. It ate up the threads. Look inside, it's all rotted through. They had a lot going on here with a bunch of fittings, 90s going up and down. So we tore all that out of there, screwed a insert by mail adapter union into the pitless, attached to black poly pipe, and then they had poly coming from the house, so we just put a brass insert coupling in there. We also saw a crack in the well cap, their old well cap. So these old well caps had no seals. They kind of just sat on top of the well with a couple set screws that secured them. You can see over time what builds up in insects, rodents we've seen over the years. So we replaced it with a sanitary cap, a nice thick rubber gasket on there to protect it, new junction box. You can see the repair there, pretty simple repair, straightforward. Not a bunch of fittings you got to unnecessarily use. So turn the water back on and cover it back up and be good to go. Stay tuned for more troubleshooting.